Okay, this is how I have cut the net. This is the size I will use to cover the palm. But before then, let me show you how it is. This is the full length. Let me show you this. The full length. This is the full length. You see it? So you cut 1, 2, 3 to get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it? So this one now, by our measurements, is going to cover 20 stands. It's going to cover 20 stands to protect it from grass cutter. Okay? So now see how I cut it. This is how I cut it. The measurements I use to cut this one. I don't need any special measurements. I just use the scissors I have. Make sure you protect your hands because you can injure yourself. See, I just put 1, 2, and I cut. So learn this method. You cut, you fold it, and then you continue. So this is how it is done. Okay. By so doing, you will protect your oil palm from grass cutter. Don't mind me, I'm not wearing my boots. This can injure you. Okay, this one I will just cut out small. 1, 2. I can leave it like this. You have to be
cut small, yeah.
It can't be too big. 2. So this is how it is done. You see, it's hooking my hand. You fold, you then bend, and then cut. Okay, let me now show you how you put this on the ground. You can cut. I put in that one. Show them that one.
Okay.
I put in that one. So see, I'm distributing. I finished cutting and distributing. So this is to enable you know how much you can cut. If you can still need much to cut or just little. You can cut plenty and it will be more than your farm if you are not counting well. Okay. Woo! I will still find it, don't worry. Cut. Okay, this is our palm. I don't know if you can see this very well. Let me bring it closer. You can see the soil. We have applied chemical to control termites before we start our netting. Okay, so watch and see how the net is being done. You first of all hook the first upper side, just like this. Watch. You hook it so that it will not separate. That's a perfect hook. You hook the downside too. Watch what he's doing. You fold the palm and then put in your net. And remember, the grass cutter doesn't eat this established leaves. It eats the down part of it. So that's very, very important. It doesn't eat this one. And you fold it. See how it's bent. In case the grass cutter comes and wants to attack the palm, this place will be a spike to chase the grass cutter away. We're now earthing it to make it stronger. So this is a perfect work done. Have you seen how it's done?
After that you match to make it strong.
Yes, match it. It's strong now. Perfect. So that's how it's done. Good luck in your farm. So this is how it is after the work. You see, let me show you another good one. This Let me show you another one. And this. So as you can see the thick forest. So you need to protect your palm. If not, grass cutters will come and feed on it. Okay? So it's a very thick place. So that's why you need to do your netting very, very well. Okay? This is more we can still do. It's plenty. This is it. So I hope you have learned this now. Okay? Protect your palm for future yield. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.